Would you like to learn how to make some delicious Spanish shrimp and rice? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Okay, let's get started with this Spanish shrimp and rice recipe. I have my pot on medium heat, and I'm going in with some butter. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Now to the butter, I'm going to add some sofrito. Sofrito is actually a blend of onions, garlic, multicolored bell peppers, cilantro, and some other herbs too. I'll put my sofrito recipe above. You're welcome. Now after I stir up the sofrito a little, I'm going to add in some garlic paste. Of course, fresh garlic would also work well here. Now after I stir in the garlic paste, I'm going to add in some red onions and some red bell peppers. Now I'll stir the veggies up and let them cook down for about 2 minutes before adding in some long grain white rice. And yes, my veggies are kind of redundant because they're already in the sofrito, but hey, this is how we layer in flavors, okay? Just stay with me, boo. We going somewhere. You should rinse off your rice with cool water before adding it. And depending on how much rice you're cooking, follow the package directions as far as how much water and how much rice to use. Now I'm gonna add in some sazon. Sazon is what makes the rice yellow, but it has to be the sazon that has the ochote in it. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I'm also going to add some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section, but if you don't have it, just use some adobo, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm adding in some adobo as well for extra flavor. Now I'll give it a stir, allow the rice to fry for about 2 minutes to soak up all of the seasonings. And after about 2 minutes, I'll add in the water. After I add in the water, I'll give it a stir, allow it to come to a boil. Then I'll reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and allow it to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's work on the shrimp. I've already cleaned my shrimp and I seasoned it with a little Old Bay, and now I'm just allowing the shrimp to saute in some butter. And after 4 minutes, the shrimp are done. Now it's been 25 minutes and the rice is done. I fluffed it up with a fork. And I like to add in some capers. And now it's time to also add in the cooked shrimp. Give it a good stir, and then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This Spanish rice and shrimp came out excelente. Well, but of course. Are you crazy or something like that? You already know it's gonna be super yummy, packed with flavor. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.